Hello viewers, here is an Encon ceiling fan. This is a 42-inch model in polished brass. The blades are reversible. This side is the medium oak side. There is also a rosewood side. I haven't cleaned this fan yet, and the rosewood side is very dirty, so we're not going to show that. The light globe on here is very thick and very heavy, probably more than half the weight of the fan itself. And this is probably a cheap fan, I don't know. I thought it looked nice, so I got it, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. Here we go. Hopefully this is working. That's very close to that box. The light globe it has reminded me of a fan my uncle used to have on his porch. And the fan was a little bit different than this one. I think it had stamped irons, but the globe was very similar, and it made the same exact sound that this fan is making. You know what? That actually moves a reasonable amount of air. It's very loud, and it's shaking, but it's not moving a bad amount of air. This really doesn't work that well with ceiling fans. Let's go down to medium. See, does the light work? Yep, the light works. That motor sounds awesome. And let's go down to low. It's actually still moving a decent amount of air. Thought it would go faster than it does, but it has a reasonable amount of blade pitch to it. It's pretty slow for a 42-inch fan. Maybe like 65 or 70 RPMs. See if the reverse works. Okay, it does. And we'll go ahead and capture the startup sound. I'm actually impressed with the amount of air this is moving. If this wasn't so loud, it would be a halfway decent fan. And we'll drop down to medium now. and low. There's the light. I do like that light quite a bit. It's got a brass ring around the bottom. I think it's a pretty decent fan. Not bad at all.